In just a few minutes, you can design app icons in all kinds of styles. Let me show you how. I started with my usual logo, the letter N. I found a reference image I liked, uploaded both into ChatGPT and asked it to transform the N into that style. The first result was just okay, but after tweaking the prompt to better match what I had in mind, the final design turned out amazing. Aside from the basic version, I also played around with some different themes like Valentine's Day one. I uploaded the finished icon and gave ChatGPT this prompt. Create multiple variations of the icon with different Valentine's Day themes like romantic lighting, hearts, rose, love inspired decorations or softer pink and red tints, while keeping the original icon shape. It quickly generated four different Valentine's Day versions. I thought they could look a bit more refined, so I typed in this prompt. Give it a more polished design. After a few tweaks, the quality really leveled up, and I was super happy with how it turned out. Next, I tried a Christmas themes version. This time, I gave even more detailed instructions, such as a slow winter scene with a gentle snow falling, a cozy atmosphere with warm, festive nights and a softer glow. Classic Christmas decoration like wreaths, ornaments, and garlands around the icon. Playful holiday elements like cutie reindeer, candy canes, and Santa hats. The first set of images was pretty good, but not quite polished enough. So I asked ChatGPT twice to give it more polished design. The final result was fantastic. Finally, I gave a fluffy plushy infector a try. The first version didn't quite have that design feel I was going for, but after refining the prompt and adding more details, the icon turned out super cute. So the N in the first middle wasn't visible at first, so I kept tweaking it, and in the end, it's looking amazing. The whole process was so much fun, and the key was really being patient and fine tuning the prompts. If you have got more creating ideas, drop them in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.